Hello friends! The peasant-tailed jacana is a wader belonging to the family of jacanas. It is also called as water peasant. The peasant-tailed jacana species are distributed in India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Philippines, China, Japan, Taiwan, and Oman. The peasant-tailed jacana is the only jacana with breeding plumage. In breeding plumage, it measures 40 to 60 cm in length, including its 25 to 35 cm tail. The female is slightly larger and weighs 190 to 230 grams. In breeding, peasant-tailed jacana's body is blackish and the tail is long. The head is white with a black patch on the rear crown, which varies in size. A narrow black necklace line from the upper nape extends down to the upper breast, separating white front of the neck from the glossy golden rear neck. The upper parts and lower parts of peasant-tailed jacana are blackish chocolate brown with green or purple luster. The wings are white, the tail is blackish, and two central pair of feathers are stiff. The bill is slender and is slaty blue with yellow tip. The legs and toes are very long, pale bluish grey. In non-breeding season, a peasant-tailed jacana, the upper parts are pale, greenish, brown, and the underparts are white. The crown becomes blackish, the rear neck becomes brown, and the golden area is reduced to a few patches. The brownish black line from the lower region passes through the eyes, down the sides of the neck to join on the upper breast. The non-breeding jacana tail is shorter and white with greenish brown central feathers. The legs and toes are greenish bluish. These long legs and toes an adaptation for the life on floating vegetation. These jacanas are monotypic species. They do not normally occur in forest. The natural ecosystem of this peasant-tailed jacana species include wetlands like freshwater lakes, marshes, pools, ponds, swamps, peatlands, and flooded grasslands. The diet of this peasant-tailed jacana species is mostly insects, floating insects, small mollusks, and plant seeds are their primary food. They forage by walk over the floating vegetation or by swimming. The breeding season is mainly in summer, from March to July. They breed in freshwater lakes and ponds with emergent floating vegetation. The nest is built with plant material. It may rest and float on water. These peasant-tailed jacanas are polyandrous. In breeding season, a peasant-tailed jacana female may lay up to 10 clutches. To be incubated by several different males. The female pairs up and presents a clutch of 4 eggs to a male. A few days later, the female pairs up with another male. The brooding male peasant-tailed jacana, supporting itself with wings, scoops the eggs and keeps them warm between its breast and the underside of the wings. If the nest is threatened by a predator, rains or flood, the male may build another nest and move the eggs by carrying them one by one, wedged between the breast and bill. Post-breeding, the peasant-tailed jacana juveniles may disperse and establish in new locations within the range. The peasant-tailed jacana species are partially migrant birds. The northern population of jacana migrates southwards for wintering. They move from China and Himalayas to southern Thailand, Peninsula, Sumatra, Southeast and Northeast India and Oman.